Hi, my name is Bill Downs, and I'm the CEO and founder of Victory Nutrition International. Purpose for us being here today is to just give you a brief overview of the VNI products and why they're so remarkably unique. They are distinctively unique and superior, and that's something that every company out there says, but I want to give you the evidence as to why that's true. A lot of companies rely on testimonials. We are committed to providing scientific evidence so that while it's really beneficial to know what it's doing for other people, it's really not that important in the grand scheme, primarily because oftentimes when somebody gives you a testimonial, what they're really doing is trying to sell you a product based on their product experience, which can be exaggerated if they make money on it. And I don't want to have individuals burdened with the stigma of trying to convince somebody to buy a product because they're making money. That's why we provide solid, validated scientific evidence to support the product's ability to work. And our first product that I'm going to talk about is Protovite. And Protovite is a distinctively unique and superior delivery technology. It's a great ingredient formulation as well. The Protovite is made from 35 specially selected ingredients. All the botanicals are water extracted in a 1-to-1 extract ratio of water to herbal extract, and that makes them far more potent than the vast majority of botanicals in the market, and there's no danger of having any solvent residues. So what the Protovite does, because of this delivery technology, which you can go on our website and delve into deeper, it gets into the cells 100% of the time, in 100% of the people, in 5 minutes or less from the time you put it in your mouth. And that's an extraordinary achievement, given the fact that the #1 health malady in our culture today is digestive problems. So people aren't able to effectively disintegrate and dissolve and absorb nutrients from the foods they eat, let alone the supplements they take. Whether they're beverages or capsules or tablets, it doesn't matter. If the digestive system is impaired, your ability to turn not you into you is also impaired. And Protovite does not rely on the competence of the digestive system to get the ingredients into your cells. And it makes dramatic changes in your red blood cells. And your red blood cell system is the highway of delivery for all the nutrition, for the water, for the oxygen, the nutrients to all 372 trillion cells in your body in 5 minutes or less. Keep in mind that you have about 1.5 gallons of blood in your body, and it's circulating through approximately 60,000 miles of blood vessels. And it makes one complete revolution when you're healthy every 20 to 60 seconds. It is astonishing. We are wonderfully and fearfully made. And so we want to reestablish this dynamic velocity of blood flow because we're helping to improve the health of the blood with Protovite, getting nutrition into the cells that restores the ability to use oxygen and water to make energy, manage energy, and get rid of waste from all 372 trillion cells in 5 minutes or less. That's the Protovite promise.